Hi, this is Monica of Knitted Wishes. In this video, I'm going to show you how to work BRP, slip-on yarn over BRP. Here is the slip-on yarn over from the previous row. It's the stitch with its yarn over shawl. I'm going to bring the yarn to the front, insert the right hand needle first through the stitch from back to front, and then it's yarn over shawl, and purl them together. And that's our first BRP. Now bring the yarn to the front, slip the following stitch purlwise with its yarn over shawl, hold it in place with your right hand, bring the yarn to the front, and now work another BRP. Insert the right hand needle from back to front, first through the stitch, and then it's yarn over shawl and purl. And that's the second BRP. Let's try this one more time. Bring the yarn to the front, insert the right hand needle first through the stitch from back to front, then it's yarn over shawl and purl. First BRP is done. Now bring the yarn to the front, slip the stitch purlwise with its yarn over shawl, hold it in place with your right hand, bring the yarn to the front, insert the needle first through the stitch, then it's shawl from back to front, and purl. And here we have BRP, slip-on yarn over BRP. Now keep in mind that the slip-on yarn over, the stitch with its yarn over shawl, is a brioche stitch and it is counted as one stitch. Thank you for watching.